Has anybody heard of that Webb telescope? Anybody heard of that? Oh my. Yeah, let's take a look at this. This is the James Webb Space Telescope. Took them $10 billion to get it up there. They're looking even farther than that Hubble Deep Field image. They're looking way back in time. They think they're going to see the origins of the universe because they're looking so back in time. But what does it say? The JWST's first glimpse of early galaxies could break cosmology. So it just doesn't fit. And this I heard on Real Science Radio. You know, they go through it every week. Yeah, go into rsr.org. If you don't get anything out of the talk, just get that website, and you'll be able to learn everything. Keep up to date. And then it says the James Webb Space Telescope's first images of the distant universe shocked astronomers. Is the discovery of unimaginary distant galaxies a mirage or a revolution? So they're having a hard time with this, and everyone was freaking out, is what it says in the article. How can they explain these old universes? In the weeks and months following its findings of surprising mature early galaxies, blindsided theorists and observers alike have been scrambling to explain them. You know, they were blindsided, but we weren't. You know, God. Bob Enyart, when the Hubble Deep Field image came out, he predicted you're going to find mature galaxies, and they said, no, you're crazy. And guess what? The Bible-thumping radio host was right, and the PhD scientists were wrong. And that happens over and over again. At stake is nothing less than our very understanding of how the orderly universe we know emerged from primordial chaos. So they can't explain it. Again, $10 billion. Maybe there's something happening in the early universe that means it's easier for some of the galaxies to form stars. Yeah, I would say there is. It's in the Bible. You know, he made the stars also. Yeah, it's a lot easier than their confusing theory. And then go into RSR also, and if you want to hear all the shocked evolutions, they have these lists of problems with the Grand Canyon, list of not so old things, and list of shocked evolutionists. I'll go to St. Cloud State and I'll play this on my Bluetooth speaker. I'll play Real Science Radio. That's what I did when I was preparing for this talk. I listened to Mark Armitage being interviewed on RSR, and I figured, well, I'll go over to St. Cloud State and let them hear it too.